Today we're going to make a very quick and easy snacks, or should we say treats. We're gonna make peanut butter marshmallow squares. Let's see what's the ingredients. So what we need is 1 pack, it's 300 grams butterscotch chips, 1 pack of mini marshmallow, like it's 400 grams, and we need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and we need 1 cup of peanut butter. So this peanut butter you can use either smooth or the crunchy one. I usually prefer the crunchy one because there's like some peanut bits in it. Okay, and then we need like a cooking spray for the pan later time. Okay, all you need to do is to mix. All you need to do is to microwave this one here, and then you add this one. And then with this one, you just have to mix it. And microwave it first for like 2 minutes, and then mix it again. And if it's not, if the chocolate chips, if the butterscotch chips is not melted yet, then you can put it back. So let's put this one in the microwave. Okay, so while we have our butterscotch chips, peanut butter, and butter in the microwave, we can prepare our container later. So you can use anything like square or square. All you need to do is just spray it so that your peanut butter square later time when you have to slice them, it would not stick into this one. So you just like you just try to mix them so that the heat would be distributed equally. Then you check if there's still see, this is the consistency now. The one that you see like there's chunks, those are the peanuts. Okay, so now all you have to do is to pour this whole bag of your marshmallow square or of your marshmallow. Okay, and then you just mix it. The goal here is to have your marshmallow well coated with dissolved chocolate, dissolved peanut butter, butterscotch and butter, the dissolved ingredients. Alright, so now this is ready. So all you have to do is pour this into this prepared pan. Just a disclaimer, I don't promote any of the product I use when I'm cooking or making treats. I just use whatever is available in the supermarket where we shop our groceries. And yeah. There we go. So now what we're gonna do is to chill this one so that it would harden a little bit or almost solidify. Hi, so that's how easy it is to make the treat. Thank you for watching. Bye.